We're giving away hundreds of dollars of RevZilla gift cards. Stay to the end of the video to figure out how to enter and win. What do you think is going to be this one? Speed? I think speed. Oh, oh. Oh. Somebody else crashed? That can easily lacerate you. Looks like his knee got hit on the rail, and somebody else crashed. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one's gonna be interesting. What do you guys think is gonna be this one? Okay, so remember we have speeding, positioning, ego, brown stage. So brown stage, action time but panicked, and we also have white stage, completely unaware, unprepared, zoned out. Okay, so what do you guys think is gonna be this one? Why did we go so wide? You know, this is a 2-lane road. We went from the inside of the first lane to the outside of the second lane and then hits the guardrail. If you know how to turn, you shouldn't have this problem. But if you know how to turn, it's because you're probably doing slow look, press, and roll. So slow it down. He's not slow look, pressing, and rolling. He's speeding up, looking, pressing, and then rolling on more. If we go too fast for our skill, we start going wide, 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 wide. We need more room, and we don't. Okay, so you need to go ahead and slow down before the turn, and then you could always add more speed later. No rush to get to the corner. There's a rush to get out of the corner. Maybe ego because it is a group ride. Somebody else crashed, so we're just trying to show off. Maybe get in front of the pack. Maybe we were past everybody before the corner. I don't know, but definitely speed is a big problem. Maybe ego's a problem. What's up, Jesse? How you doing? So right there, that's a piece of metal. Very dangerous to hit. That lip right there, very sharp, so if your arm goes over it, it can easily lacerate your brachial artery. And then those pieces of wood, those things are like 80 pounds each. Those things are hard to break and heavy, so they're not moving. They're not moving. In December, we're doing it every single month. We are giving away $800 worth of RevZilla gift cards. We're actually gonna do more and more and more in 2021. So take a look at his right leg. So that's the area that impacted to the guardrail. Completely ripped up his jeans. Now, it's not, hey, we're going to rip up the jeans. It's, hey, we're going to do blunt force trauma to those jeans and your knee, and it just so happens to rip. So imagine your knee. Imagine your flesh. So this is why you need to wear gear. We are giving it away. $800 worth of RevZilla gift cards. Check it out. Links in the description. Yeah, just slow down. Click the link in the description to enter to win hundreds of dollars in RevZilla gift cards. We're doing this every single month. So if you don't win right now, you can possibly win next month. But if you sign up as a tier 1 to tier 4, you get my ebook for free too. Check it out. Link is in the description. Link is in the description. Click, click, click. Link in description.